little guy. Are you hungry too? Look at you. You want my mango, don't you?
Here, take this one too, my friend. Ooh. You can have that one, little guy. Eek, eek. My mango. Hey, that's mine. Give it back. Heh, got it. It's mine now.
Look, a mango tree. I brought extras. Here's one for you.
Ooh, ah.
Yum, this is delicious. I love spending time with you.
Thank you, my friend. Eek. Here, have some of mine. Here, little friend. Thank you.
You are my best friend, little monkey. Hee hee hee. Look, they are holding hands. Come on, Sonu, faster. Oh, I'm right behind you.